Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your Bullets Wireless Z2 has enough battery and is powered on. On your phone, open Settings and go to Bluetooth so you can see available devices. Keep the screen active to avoid timeouts. Then put the earphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power/pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This tells you the headphones are actively discoverable by your mobile. Once your bullets are discoverable, choose them from the phone's Bluetooth device list. Tap the entry labeled OnePlus Bullets Z2. If the phone asks to confirm pairing or requests a PIN, accept the prompt or enter 0000. This secures the link. After you tap, wait for the system to show connected or listen for the earphone's verbal/audio confirmation. Make sure media and call audio are enabled in the devices. Once connected, play music and make a short call to verify microphone and audio routing. Adjust volume on both phone and earphones as necessary. If you encounter dropouts or no sound, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then forget the bullets on your phone and repair from scratch to clear pairing faults. If problems persist, reset the earphones by powering off and holding the button about 10 seconds to restore factory pairing state. Then repeat the pairing steps to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.